Let's introduce some SPARQL into our searching using Wikidata, a SPARQL endpoint that queries against the Wikidata dataset. For information about how to use Wikidata, please consult the links shown here. Click on Query Search on the Wikidata homepage, and let's begin with this example search for paintings by Gustav Klimt. As we can see, the table of results shows us only what we requested, the Wikidata item codes and the link to the image URLs. We can click on each link to see the image of the painting and its associated metadata, but one of the exciting things about Wikidata is the option to view the results in a number of different formats. The image grid view actually shows us the pictures of Klimt's paintings, and we can click on each one to enlarge it for a closer look. We can rerun the search for paintings by Rembrandt by simply replacing the artist's name in our filter. Now, let's modify our search to get Wikidata to show us the genre of each painting. The results now show the Wikidata code for each genre, but that's not very helpful for the human user. Wikidata's user manual shows us how to translate this code into English. We can copy and paste the label service line into our query, and now the results table shows us the genres in human-readable text. Notice that this increased the number of results. If we look closely at the table, we'll see that we don't actually have more paintings added to our list, but many of the paintings have more than one genre included in their metadata, so the paintings are repeated in the list with each genre category they fall into. Performing this example query for all of the cathedrals in Paris will introduce a few other exciting Wikidata features. We have asked the search to return images, and we can view these in the image grid as we did before. But now you can see that the map view is clickable. For a search query like this one, the map view is an incredibly useful feature for geographically locating the items in our search. In this view, we can click on the red dot to pull up the image and name of each cathedral and start planning our next trip to Paris. Now that you have seen this brief introduction, you can try running Wikidata's example searches to get a feel for the query language before moving on to constructing your own SPARQL queries. Happy searching!